Hey, what's going on, everybody? Back with another how-to. We're just going to get into a quick fix today. Today we're working on this 99 Mustang GT 4.6 new edge. Now this should fall in line with any new edge 99 to 04 Mustang with a 4.6. Now working on it, and I discovered this leak here coming from the fuel rail right from the Schrader valve. So we're just going to do a quick fix, and I'll show you guys how to replace that easily and effortless. So let's get into it now. All right, so this thing is bubbling up every time the car is on. Gas is literally almost just spewing out of it, as you can see here. And we're just gonna go ahead and do a quick fix on this. It's really not too hard. So you can actually approach this just like a bike tire valve or a regular car tire valve. So what I have is a slime valve core remover. And we're just gonna go ahead, put it on down here. Now, from removing this, you might get some bubblage like that, a little bit of spewage from it coming out. Nothing to be alarmed about. But we're just gonna screw this thing right out, and you can get these at AutoZone, Walmart. These core removers, they're nothing crazy. You can use it for tires, use it for anything that's got a Schrader valve and a valve core like this. So, just about have it backed out here. And there it is, guys. Nothing special, just a regular valve core. Now, I actually have a pack of valve cores here. They are slime. You can get these, just like I said, at Walmart, AutoZone, Advanced. Any parts store should have these. And if you look at the one that we just pulled out, it's essentially identical to any regular valve core. All right, so there we go. We're just gonna pull one of these out of the box and literally thread it back in, and we'll give her a test and see where she's at. All right, we got our new core here, so I'm just gonna drop it down, start finger threading that thing in there. All right, now that I got it started, don't want to go crazy with it, but I want to go ahead and take my core screwdriver here. You're probably going to get a little bit more fuel coming out when you do this, but you just want to do this until it's pretty tight. You don't want to go crazy and put all your effort into tightening that thing down, but I just did it till it's pretty snug and gave it, you know, a nice little turn. So the new core is in. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of brake clean that up a hair, wipe it down, and then we should be good to start it. So let's go ahead, clean that up, and give her a test. All right, guys, we got this thing running. As you can see, I cleaned it up, and it cleaned up pretty nice. And we got a brand new injector, but as you can see, dry as a bone. It's hard to get with that light, but nothing bubbling out now. And we should be good, guys. We'll let it run a little bit longer, and I think we should be fine. And this is a very quick, easy fix. So if you got any bubbles and fuel coming out of the Schrader valve, all you gotta do is get a valve core and you're good to go. All right, guys, she's been running for a bit. No leaking, still dry as a bone, looking good. And as you can see, I just took a little tire cap and threaded it on there just because it should have a cap on there. So we capped it up, and we're all good, guys. No more leaks. So until next time.